Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a grocery haul for you guys. I went shopping at Walmart and Aldi's because I like things from each store, so I usually do both each week. So if you want to see what I got for a family of 5, stick around and keep watching. Let's first go over the meal plan for this week. We're doing buffalo chicken and french fries on Monday, taco bowl on Tuesday, chicken and rice on Wednesday, cheeseburger soup on Thursday, always leftovers or pizza or eat out or whatever on Friday, and then pork chops and mashed potatoes and a chicken broccoli bake on Sunday. So we'll start with Aldi's. I got the chicken breast that I needed at Aldi's. I got the center cut pork chops, which these are really good pork chops they have there. I got also, because they had this on sale for a good deal, mesquite barbecue pork center cut loin fillet. These loins are absolutely amazing from Aldi's. And then 100% grass-fed ground beef, and that will be for the taco bowls tonight. They also had these taco seasonings on sale for 29 cents. So I went ahead and snagged all of those up. And they had these 12 crunchy taco shells with whole grain corn, made with whole grain corn. So I went ahead and picked those up. Along with that, I also got the organic Mexican cheese blend. We've had these cheeses from Aldi's before, and they're super good. And then I got also a mozzarella. I got, this is a repeat purchase. I get this all the time, the crumbled feta. I like that on my salads. Got a big old bag of the russet potatoes to make our own french fries and for the mashed potatoes. Got the greens for the smoothies and salads, a thing of baby spinach and organic mixed greens, baby green kale, baby spinach, and baby chard, like that for the smoothies. For the kids, I got some of these mixed berries Danimals smoothies. They absolutely love these, along with the organic apple strawberry squeezable fruit blends, the little pouches. They super like those. As well as the Moo Tubes, Bouncin' Blueberry and Splashin' Strawberry. Come 8 in the pack. All these will be good for back to school also, along with the mandarin oranges. Mandarin oranges are a weekly repeat purchase here. I also saw these, so I went ahead and grabbed those as well. I have not tried these before, Tuscan Garden tricolor tortilla strips for the salads, but I wanted to give it a go. Serving size 2 tablespoons, 35 calories, 4 carbs, and 0 sugars. So I want to give that a try on my salads. Of course, every week, organic bananas. I grabbed some green onions to chop and put on our taco bowls. Of course, for the kids, the organic grapes, blueberries, and strawberries. These were $1.29 there at Aldi's this week. Look at, absolutely awesome. I grabbed one single avocado. I still had one, so I only need one more. These I absolutely love to throw some season on, olive oil, and then throw them in the oven. Absolutely awesome side for dinner. And then, of course, another dozen eggs. And that is everything from Aldi's. And because I picked up all the meats this week also, the total at Aldi's was $72.10. And then Walmart, I'll start off with the, oh no, I'm sorry, these apples were also from Aldi's. These Pink Lady organic apples was also from Aldi's. Now, Walmart, I always get these seasoned mixed greens, the Margaret Holmes. They are absolutely awesome. We love them. I got 2 cans of the white shoe peg corn, and then 1 can of regular organic whole corn, and 1 of the Fiesta corn. We like to add that in our taco mix. And then this I got for, I'm gonna try a new recipe with chicken. So, and they had these on sale, 2 broccoli and cheese soups. And then these I like to do with the pork chops. I did a video on that. I'll link it down below if you guys want to give it a try. Cream of celery. I got 2 of those. And then more snacks for the kids. These were on sale, the Trolls, and my little one loves the Troll movie, so I went ahead and grabbed those. My daughter's absolutely addicted to these Takis. Like all summer, she has been absolutely addicted to those. I got my little guy some of these small little mini waters because I don't want him to only drink juice. I always get this 32 pack of organic juice, no sugar added. I have only found these offered at Walmart. I don't know if anywhere else carries them. He's already dug into them, but I don't want him only drinking juice. So I also got a big case of water for us, but I get this little case of water for him just so it's easier for him to drink. And then I grabbed 2 of the cheddar cheeses, a sliced mild cheddar cheese, and then a shredded mild cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. I got organic bone beef broth and an organic chicken bone broth that I will be using in recipes this week. A thing of vegetable oil for our fryer because my daughter wants to make some chili cheese fries before she goes back to school. Repeat purchase, I always get the Great Value Donut Shop K-Cups. My husband loves these, the extra caffeine ground coffee medium dark Great Value. The kids already tore into the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn. They love that. And they also love these 4 cheese pizza Hot Pockets. That's a quick snack for them for the last week and a half of summer. So I got this big old box for them and this big old box of cereal that they love. And also I get these from Purdue, no antibiotics, all natural chicken, no added hormones or steroids or any of that stuff. Chicken nuggets for the kids. And then I also got organic celery. I like getting most of my organic produce from Aldi's, but they don't carry organic celery, so I get that at Walmart. And then the organic seedless humongous cucumber. I got the organic romaine hearts from Walmart. Trying out a different recipe. It's the organic broccoli slaw with broccoli, carrots, and red cabbage. I'm gonna saute that up and try a new recipe with that. And then I got, the last thing was a big case of water and this thing of 6-pack of Viva paper towels. My Walmart total was off. That's why I didn't even give you guys a total for that, because I found other things that I got for our pool and charcoal, and I found some shorts on clearance and stuff for the kids. So my total at Walmart was like way more, so I'm not really sure exactly what the food total was. My budget is usually about $125 a week. That's what I try to stick to, but I just cleaned out my refrigerator, so I had to stock up like on a lot of stuff this week, kids snacks and stuff. I have a video coming for that, so stay tuned. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.